out, it has been shown. Okay?
Just hold on.
Shall I proceed further? Now there are three more transactions to understand this. These are cash collection of accounts receivable rupees 30,000. Okay, some accounts receivables were with you. You have collected rupees 30,000 out. Cash payment of accounts payable rupees 10,000. On 1st March, paid rupees 3,000 cash for rent for March, April, May. Rent is rupees 1,000 per month. Okay. Now here we are going to some more complications. Simple things are not getting over. Okay, what will be the effects of these transactions? Please write down these transactions also so that we can just put effect of these transactions here. Done? So cash collection on account receivables. The cash you have collected from account receivable is, if suppose you are having, here you are not having any account receivables because you have not sold anything on credit. If you would have sold something on credit, okay, consider the last transaction. If you would have sold something on credit, what would have happened? For example, you have sold rupees, the goods worth rupees, how much? 1 lakh. For 1,20,000 here we have used cash. Suppose that this goods you have purchased for, you have sold for on credit to suppose Mr. X. So अब आप Mr. X से पैसा मांगते हो कितना? 1,20,000. Out of that you have received 30,000. What will happen? 30,000 will be added in your cash and receivables will be reduced by 30,000 and it will become now 90,000. Okay. Now what is the last transaction? Cash payment of accounts payable rupees 10,000. Similar thing will happen. Cash will be reduced by 10,000. Previously cash was increased by 10,000. Why? You have received payment from outside. Now you are paying to outsiders again. So the cash will be reduced and the outside account will also be reduced. Why? Because now we have satisfied them. Another thing is, on 1st March paid rupees 3,000 cash for rent of March, April and May. March, April and May you have paid rent for all the 3 months. So what is that? You are in March. Exactly the advance payment. So that is called prepaid expenses. How much prepaid? 3,000 you have paid as prepaid Now what will happen at the end of this month? That prepaid expenses to the extent of rupees 1000 which belongs to the current month, that is March, will be adjusted as expense. For example, I have paid, I think this point is not so very much clear. I have paid rupees 10,000 to a person who will provide me service in future. Tell me whether is this an expense for me or an asset? Asset. Anyone else?
अभी तो एक्सपेंस ही है।
कोई और? Of course it is an asset. अभी expense